After nearly 1 full year away from the sailing and cruising lifestyle, I finally returned to the crystal clear blue waters of the Bahamas, but not as captain of my own sailboat, instead as crew on board my friends' catamarans. And I'm bringing my girlfriend so she can experience sailboat living at its best. Good morning, the 8th day here. We are all about that boat life. We're getting coffee, we're getting breakfast, we got rotten food we're throwing out. It is boat life, we're doing boat projects, this is everything. Hey, you know the drill. You know the drill. Okay. Ow.
So you can do the next one.
Banana pancake smoothie.
Okay, first time.
Dog.
No, it doesn't look good.
Wonderful.
And syrup to Dan.
All right, moment of truth. Let's pump this dinghy up. Let's not hear a hiss. Let's not see anything deflate. We just don't want to hear a hiss or a whoosh, and we'll be happy.
See any bubbles when we do the soak test.
Well, that's true. Yeah, nothing beats a soak test. All right, this isn't gonna take so long.
We'll do. Put your ear down.
All right, I don't hear anything. Nothing on this one either, just because that could happen. Start taking tape off. I really want this thing to be done. I feel terrible as it is, but it's kept everybody on the boat really, you know, instead of going out and doing stuff. And today they really want to go diving. You know, the wind's calmed down so much, so they're like, today's the day to go diving. So hopefully we can do that. I just want this all to last without a problem until you get at least back to Jacksonville, and then I can come see you guys again there to help you with boat projects. That's my goal.
Okay.
All right. No surprise. Check, check, check plus, check, check, check. Let's get the tape off the other one and do it up. Oh, come on, baby. Captain, what do you think?
Looking good. Maybe.
2 compliments in one day. Is later tonight slap on a fairing layer?
Yeah, especially up in that corner, that forward corner.
I'm not a huge fan of that either. Ralph,
Dan,
we good for now? We good for now?
we're good for now.
Yeah, for now.
We have declared success, and now for the sea trials.
Yeah, that's true. This isn't technically over.
Right. I don't think it's a problem. I think we've done it, and
Yeah.
I think whatever we do after this is mostly cosmetic.
Yeah, well, cosmetic, and I want longevity. I don't want, like I said, I really don't want you to be doing work when I'm not here, you know?
And neither do I.
Yeah, so, yeah, I like the way it fared in some of these spots here. Ralph and Leslie are off spearfishing, and Ted here is picking us up. He is feeding us some lunch, good man, and we're going to be doing a tour of his boat, so you'll be seeing that episode separately.
Thank you.
Back on board Lani. I like it here on Lani. You got the neighbors are all around. Got lots of jacks down here. It's so cool how much sea life is around us here. I love this place.
Darcy and Michelle say we run a pretty good restaurant over here.
We agree
It's
with that.
true. I just said you should open a floating restaurant.
All right, so we just finished the full boat tour and we just finished the full interview, which is really cool. We're kind of reflecting on our time here with both of them, and I'm saying how this was my first time being a guest, not being the captain on a cruising boat, which I've been on deliveries and done other things like that, but I've never been a guest on a cruising boat for multiple days. And the theory I had was it's going to be a lot less stress than owning a boat, and it really has been. It's been so nice because I loved helping you with the boat project, but if it, there just wasn't the same stress for me. It's like I wanted to help, I hoped it would help, I hope it would work, but if it didn't work, it was like, well, it's not my boat. Yeah, it is. It's the truth. Like I want to be there, I want to do it, but like there is, when you own your own boat, it's a lot of stress, especially if you have people around, and I don't know, it can be quite a bit. But it was nice to help.
Well, we appreciated the help.
The least I could do after you guys feeding us all the time and everything.
Yes.
I really hope to see you guys too.
Yeah.
You guys have.
Well, you know where to find us.
It's true. I don't want to leave catamaran life here. Oh, wait, we're going to a different catamaran. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. We'll manage. Thank you so much.
You bet. You guys take care.
Fair winds, following seas, and may there always be just enough water beneath your keel.
Good point. Well, you guys enjoy the rest of your trip.
Take care.
Thank you.
Okay.
And look at that still inflated dinghy.
Yes.
What were the odds? Gigi, did you spear something?
We got 5 lobster.
Wow.
5?
30 minutes.
You guys, 30 minutes? You guys, they are killers, you guys. Don't let them fool you.
No,
Thank you so much for helping me filming.
Of course.
You did such a good job.
enjoyed
You did
it.
such a good job.
You did a good job.
Oh,
Great
did
job.
I? Oh,
Yeah.
did I?
Yeah.
We'll see when I edit it.
Here, we'll put the small one underneath so that the
You guys did all right.
Wow.
Not bad.
And
We just went straight out there into a shallow spot, right straight out there, and jumped in. We'd never really gone there, and we'll probably
Pretty
go
good.
there again because we saw a giant grouper. And
Really?
about 3 other groupers, and so Sunday they'll be right there in their little.
Oh, they were Nassaus.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna be eating some Nassau grouper soon. The season's up in 2 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 days, and those Nassau grouper are in our bellies. All right, I am gonna jump in the water because I need some exercise. I need to get my gills wet. And I don't know what's gonna happen, but this is boat life. You can just jump off whenever you want to. So good to get off the boat for just even a little bit. Water's pretty nice temperature, a little refreshing, but mostly really nice. No way. This must have, yeah, this is one of the ones that just fell out. Well, I mean, I got it back. That's really fortuitous. Weird. All right, here is the goat skin. Pretty gross, a lot of maggots. I probably won't be bringing this back with me. Not eat anything, right? Quite the shot.
it is.
Yeah, Ralph has told me that the dinghy is filling with water. It is not my fault. I just want to say that first off, surprisingly, much to my surprise.
Well, you are the now and then scapegoat, so I wouldn't.
I can't be the scapegoat. I hunt goats. I can't be a goat. Anyway, if you can see here, he's got all these, holes that he's just patched with epoxy because aluminum's easy to patch like that, unlike Hypalon, as we found out. And what he did was he filled the boat up with a little bit of water, lifted it up, and then I get underneath and using a rag to stop where the drip comes from, I go up until I can find it, and right here is it. So we're gonna probably tilt it, drain it. I'm probably gonna prep the surface and do an epoxy.
Repair epoxy putty,
Yeah.
which is a 2-part putty. It can be applied to a wet surface.
Oh, really? Oh, that's right. Leslie, you have a glow about you. You seem happy today.
That's what the aqua blue Bahamian water does for you.
It's good aqua therapy.
Yeah,
got all this lobster work. Ooh, Muti, what are you working on?
Lobster roll.
Oh.
Do I take care of you?
You certainly do nowadays. You are getting good.
Nowadays.
You certainly do, Muti. You certainly do. This epoxy set over the paint if I've scored it?
Yeah.
Straight up a hole in the boat, dude. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, well, that's kind of why it leaks.
How did you get holes in your aluminum?
Corrosion.
From what?
I
Oh,
don't
you know what it is? Dude, you have straight current.
You think?
Yeah, you keep a battery in yours. I never kept one in mine. There is none of this on mine. I think you've got straight... But, I mean, it makes sense. There's always all that salt water back in there. I got... Oh, yeah. Dude, it keeps sticking to my glove. I'll try to use my index finger. Actually, finally helping with the project that I didn't start. This is cool because I'm able to see all this from a different angle. Look at that channel right there. That is a problem. I will be gooping it into there. So I'm happy I'm getting this different perspective. I want this to last for them. Look at all this corrosion. My thought is he's got the electric start to this, so there's that battery in there, and I think that battery's got some straight current with all the salt water connecting it through. And that's what's able to eat straight through it, because this is aluminum. It shouldn't be going through that quick. I never had anything close to this on my dinghy. It was just smooth after several years. But mine did not have an electric start. Mine was only a pull start. So pros and cons to everything. It's probably not going to go anywhere. Like all of these other patches, There's Demi. That's a big hole. That is not small. That's gonna come through soon. That pitting, look at that. That's a new one. Yeah. This dinghy is getting some abuse. And I'm also greatly worried about this stuff dripping into my eyeballs. But we're here now, so I'm trying to just stay perfect. Well, you're here now to suffer with me. What do you think?
Yeah,
Does it look miserable?
No, you look comfy.
No, I was supposed to say, Dan, it looks so miserable.
Oh no!
I'm getting seasick under here. Because the dinghy moves, the sailboat moves, and then the kayak
Let me
moves.
hold this kayak for you.
Actually, if you just like hold my leg in place so I don't have to hold myself for a minute,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to sleep now.
Okay.
I'm here and watch Ralph suffer while I suffer.
You need another glove. You are.
Oh, when I sat up, I just like threw up all in my mouth. That was not fun. I get something to eat that burns. All right, we're done. We are having some lobster rolls tonight with some salad. Oh, is she being funny? Ooh, that looks good. You're gonna have a good night.
Thanks for joining me on this adventure. I hope you feel inspired to begin adventures of your own. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For an exclusive, in-depth look at this adventure lifestyle and to further support my channel, become a member of my Patreon crew. Link in the description. I'll see you on the next adventure.